Hey everyone, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. This is episode 16 of the quarantine series. So before we begin, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? Okay then, let's do this. In this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top favorite TV shows that are not only interesting but also provide immense value in the form of real world skills. All the shows that I recommend here are available on different digital platforms like Amazon Prime, Netflix, and so on. Now let's not wait any further and begin this. So the first on the list is Silicon Valley. It first launched in 2014 and it quickly became the favorite among the startup communities. The show teaches us about how startup actually grows and the internals of the startup culture. It basically shows us the ground reality of startups and not just the good things that are visible to the outer world. I would recommend all of you to watch this series to get inspired to maybe start something of your own. Next on the list, and a show that was actually trending earlier this year, is Money Heist. This show is all about being really smart. This is a show about how a group of nobodies pulled off the biggest robbery in history. We can see in this series how each character has its own strengths and shortcomings. And just like that, we need to focus on our strengths and try to improve our shortcomings. This show teaches us about planning long-term goals and also the importance of patience. I would definitely recommend all of you to watch this epic series. Next on the list, and the very inspirational, is The Last Dance. This is a fantastic story about Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls. Although the series is about basketball, and I'm not a very big follower of basketball, but I would definitely say after watching this series, my interest towards basketball has definitely grown. This series teaches us about how one man's vision to win the NBA came true not once, but 6 times. We might have heard about Michael Jordan, but would have not really known him. But after watching this series, I'm definitely sure you will understand him and his mindset. I would say, even if you're not a big fan of basketball, but you should definitely watch this series to understand the work ethic and the patience required in achieving your goals. Next up is a mind-bending and stimulating series called Black Mirror. This series is definitely one of a kind, where every episode is a story in itself. Black Mirror is about how societies in the future would behave. It is an explosion in your mind about things you could have never imagined. It definitely broadens your imaginative capabilities. It's fun and scares you at the same time. It's a definitely good watch for some mind-bending content. The last on the list, but the most intellectual, is Suits. Suits teaches us about the pressure of corporate life and the real world after college. It also teaches us about why street smart is more important than book smart. It shows us the importance of trust for an organization to succeed and the implications of making mistakes in the real world. I would say it's a beautiful series about corporate life and everyone should watch it at least once. So these were my top 5 TV show recommendations. If you like any other TV shows apart from these, then don't forget to comment below and let me know and share with the community. So that's it in today's episode. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.